Hi, I'm Colleen Keys with Trinity Real Estate. Now here in Taupo, I get to market some pretty fantastic properties. But here today at 18 Lolama Way in Wharewaka, with an easy stroll to the nearby lake and boasting some impressive views, this has to be up here with the best of them. I can't wait to show you all this incredible property has to offer. Come inside, let's take a look. This stunning double-storey home, built by Landmark in 2016, is situated in the highly desired premium location of Wharewaka. The design features open-plan living with a spacious kitchen, including butler's pantry, and a substantial stone island benchtop, the hub of the home. Numerous stacker doors create flow to the lush garden outside and allow plenty of natural light to flow throughout the living spaces, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. On its own level, the master suite is a true oasis, providing breathtaking views of the lake and across to the western bays. This home is currently located close to the local boat ramp, popular Waipahihi Primary School, and brand new shopping development just minutes down the road. Perfect for permanent living or as an easy lock up and leave lake holiday home, now's your chance to own 18 Lolama Way. Call me today to schedule a private viewing or come along to one of our open homes. I look forward to seeing you soon.